differentiate between three segments of an NPN transistor on the basis of their size and level of doping. Draw a plot of transfer characteristics and show which portion of the characteristics is used in amplification and why. First part of the question, the difference is based upon the different segments like emitter. It is of moderate size and heavily doped semiconductor. If it is based upon the base, it is very thin and highly doped. If it is based upon the collector, it is moderately doped and large in size than the emitter. In this way, we can differentiate based upon the different segments of NPN transistor. Draw a plot transfer, that means the diagram of the characteristics and show which portion of the characteristics is used with the amplification Y. Okay. The reason is, in the graph, the active region, that means this region of the transfer characteristics is used for the amplification purpose. Okay. This is the region where the characteristics is used for the amplification purpose. This is because in this region, the IC increases almost linearly. If you observe this one, the graph is linearly, it is increases here. From here to here, this linearly increases. Okay. With the increase of VB. Okay. If VB is increase of VB, then the IC is also increases.